Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we've got a 2001 Suzuki SV650S. This bike has just under 9,300 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, and then we'll fire it up for you. You know, really, other than a few minor scratches and scuffs, this bike is in really clean condition. And it's mostly stock other than the light tinted windscreen that's on it. So like I said, you can see how clean this is. Show you the miles. 9297 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. This 2001 Suzuki SV650S will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.